Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to archive all Instagram posts at once. We start by opening Instagram, then click on the top drop-down menu. Next, click on your activity, and after that, we enter posts. Here, in order to select several publications, we are going to click on the Select option and then click on those publications to archive. Finally, we will click on Archive and confirm the action. We will see that they no longer appear in our profile. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.